I thought I'd take you up and show you a little coffee shop that not everyone knows about. Give you a bit of a location. I'm at Bali High Pier. It's the clock tower at Bali High Pier, and it's where you get the boats over to Koh Larn, or the ferries over to Koh Larn. Right underneath the Pattaya sign that you see when you're in the harbour or walking along Beach Road. So let's jump on a bike and I'll take you up to the coffee shop and we can have a look around up there. Right, so this is the bottom road at Bali High Pier. So quite a few people come along this way at night to see the sunset, because you can see all the beach and all the hotels over on the beach. The coffee shop's not too far. We get round this bend. We're just on this bend here, by this lighthouse. That's another place to watch the sunset. We're now climbing up the hill towards the coffee shop. And as we come up the hill, we need to get above the Pattaya sign. So as you come up here, the road forks. We take the left fork and get as high as possible. And once you get off the bike at the top of the hill, you get to this oasis of palm trees and gardens. And you'll see there's up here is a popular viewing spot for Pattaya. So let's have a look. That's where I just got off the bike. People come up here for the view. So it overlooks the bay of the main sands of Pattaya down there. That's the main beach, and you're at the top here. This is above the big Pattaya sign. And then you follow the path round. You can say it's quite a popular place for people to come just to relax, have a cup of coffee, something to eat. And at the top here, there is a nice little coffee shop here. I believe it's called City Coffee. There's also a little memorial here for the round table. Has obviously done something here at some stage. So you come through into this little garden area. This has gone under a little bit of renovation recently. There's got some quite nice plants and somewhere nice to sit. Come up here under these sails. If it's a sunny day, there's lots of palm trees here. Gives you plenty of shade. And there's plenty of seating. Mr. Soy Dog has found his shady little space. View you've got. Today's a bit hazy, and there's quite a nice little walkway here through the gardens. You can walk around, give yourself a bit of exercise. There's also at the top here an exercise area with body weight machines. So you use your own body weight to exercise. In the evening when it cools off a bit, there's quite a few people that use that. Little dogs everywhere. We'll just have a quick walk around. As I say, you can use these machines, they're freebies. You use your own weight to make your exercises up. Quite a nice little walk. Right, that guy there. Loads of walking, get nowhere. But it's exercise, all these machines. It's at night when the temperature's dropped a little bit. It is quite, there's quite a few people come up here. Goes down the hill and quite a few people just use this pathway as a walkway to give them some exercise. So this is one of the paths on the route, the circle around the little park here. It's quite a nice park. Let's just go. So this is the little walkway that people use to go round this park, and they use it as a running track or a walking track. Hang on, let's see what we got here. We got something, I think it's one of these, a squirrel, but they're not called squirrels here. I forget the name of them. I have to find out what they are. They got like a rodent face. It's obviously he's been left food. Anyway, so people use this path as a little running track or a walking track or a paced walking track, walkway and workout. Right, now we've had our coffee stop. There's the coffee shop that we've just come from on our right, and we go back down to Pattaya along this little road, windy road that comes down here. As I say, it's quite a nice walk really in the evening if it's not too hot. And you have to gauge everything here about the weather and how hot it's going to be, because to walk up here in the blazing sun is torturous. But it's a nice little walk in the cool of the evening. A lot of people run around this track, so it's quite nice. See, like that lady there, she walked right up to the top to go. I'm going to head home. There's also, over that side, is a park. Quite a nice little park to walk around. That one's kept quite tidy actually, so there's gardens there all the time. So walking around there is quite nice in the evening. Get somewhere to sit down and have a drink. So there it is. There's a little coffee shop that if you're in the area, give it a try. Hot, cold coffees, cakes. They sell a lot there. Nice. Royal Thai Police. Now that's got some engine on the back of there. That's a very nice boat, that one. Why are you shouting? We weren't in it, huh? Well, they're in the wrong, not me. Fucking look, great big arrow there, down, one coming up. Fucking idiot.